Hi, mommies. This is Tanya, Noor's mom. So, today I'm going to be speaking about baby proofing. So, since Noor, though not yet crawling fully, she manages to move around quite a large amount of space. So, hence, we've started baby proofing the house. So I got this baby proofing kit from Get Baby Prod. As you can see, this box. This is like an all-in-one box. So I purchased this from Parenting Done Right India, and it is amazing. So I thought I should share it with all of you, and I will also show you the little amount of baby proofing that we've already done using this, only in the current room that Noor is. But later on, when she starts moving around, we'll be doing this throughout the house. So, this is the kit, and if I open it, this is how it looks. My first treasures. So, now let me show this to you like this. So, here are some of the things that they have. It's pretty interesting. So here we have a my first door stopper. There's nothing in this because I have put this on here. I will show you how it works later. These are some corner guards that you can stick on your corners. They are very soft and will help, will avoid the baby banging his or her head in any of the corners. They're very soft and they match the furniture color. Then I have this edge guard, which you can put around any sharp edges. It's a huge roll of similar soft cushiony material which you can put. Then I have some socket covers to put these in open sockets so as to avoid babies poking their fingers inside them and getting electrocuted. Then I have these cabinet locks. So these are the cabinet locks to avoid babies opening any drawers. So let me show you some of the things that we've already started doing. So Noor usually plays on this mat and moves about and tends to go under the bed. So what we've done is, so we've put a corner here. Then we've put this edging all across here beneath the bed because she goes under it. And then there's a corner here. Then she also tends to go under this. This is our study table. So we've put the edge guard here. So it's very soft, cushiony, and baby will not get hurt at all. Then this is the door stopper that I was talking about. So you can paste this here, and so see, if the baby tries to go out, the door won't get closed fully. So there's the chance of the baby getting their finger stuck or anything is very less. And when you actually want to close the door, you just straighten this up and close the door. See, like this, I've closed the door fully. Then I will show you how the door latcher works. So this is really interesting. It is to prevent babies opening drawers. So see, I've pasted it here, and all I need to do is I need to pick this and pull this up like this when I want to use the drawer, and the drawer will easily open. But when Noor is around, now even if she tries to pull the drawer, it won't open. So these are great baby proofing stuff from Get Baby Prod, and it started by a woman who is the only certified baby proofer in India. So this is one of their all-in-one kind of boxes which gives you all of the things that are available with them. And later on, whatever you want more of, you can order that separately. So this is not a sponsored post at all. I was just doing this for Noor, so I thought I'll share it with you so that you guys can also be prepared. Or if your babies have already started crawling, you can go for this because it's super easy to put. So like you can see these edge guards, you just pull off this tape and stick it. and it also easily comes off, so it doesn't spoil the furniture or the wood. So that way it's very interesting. Socket cover also, like I'll show you, we had an empty socket here. So I've put this here in order to avoid Noor from poking her fingers inside. So that's about it. And once again, this is not a sponsored post, just sharing my experience with all of you guys. Baby proofing is very important, especially when you let your little ones crawl. Crawling comes to babies early only when they're allowed to move freely and not restricted in one place. So, in case you want that for your baby, I think it's best to let them go and let them explore different areas of the house. And for that, you must ensure that all these areas are safe for the baby. So, I hope this was helpful for you. Let me know if you have any comments. Thank you.